This inclusiveness
is being challenged.
It's been challenged and destroyed, and it is slowly happening now. First with religion, I mean, inevitably it will come down to the question of caste, and then that will be the complete destruction of this idea of India or inclusive India. आपका पूरा मतलब कॉन्सेप्ट जो था इंडिया का, जो कुछ लोग आइडिया ऑफ इंडिया कहते हैं, तो क्या था? मतलब देखो, इट्स अ वेरी सीरियस टॉपिक, अगर डिस्कस करना है तो
करना
है। देखो, कभी भी जब नेशन स्टेट जब बनता है, इवॉल्व जब होते हैं, जो हिस्टोरिकली जो इवॉल्व हुए, वो नेशन स्टेट्स हुए हैं ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ ए मेजॉरिटी नेशन स्टेट।
ठीक है।
एंड द मेजॉरिटेरियनिज्म बिकेम नेशनलिज्म, विच इज व्हाट दे ट्राइड टू। बट देन ड्यूरिंग द डीकोलोनाइजेशन प्रोसेस, जो अपने इंडिपेंडेंस के लिए कई देश लड़ रहे थे, अफ्रीका में, इंडिया में, इधर उधर, a new concept of nationalism evolved, where it was based on inclusivism. अब इंडिया itself is a grand coalition. गांधी जी की greatest attribute was actually he could unite these various diversities together. वो target करके he would say the Dalits, the Pune Pact with Ambedkar against communalism in his own way, in his own religious way. He would talk Ishwar Allah Tere Naam, I mean, you know, bring in all those things, and then going to various parts of India and mobilizing those sections, different languages, different things. Impossible in a country of this thing. Either you rule it with danda, or you have to bring it all together. This inclusiveness
is being challenged.
It's been challenged and destroyed, and it is slowly happening now. First with religion, I mean, inevitably it will come down to the question of caste, and then that will be the complete destruction of this idea of India or inclusive India.
I had profound trust in the Indian government and the system. And this 500 years old masjid, you know, it was a symbol of our democracy, symbol of our secularism है। मैंने केरल से आया, मेरा मन में ये आइडिया ऑफ इंडिया वाज ऑफ अ सेक्युलर डेमोक्रेटिक
नाइव
मतलब मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा ये देखो ये मस्जिद गिर जाएगा। सो एक्चुअली व्हेन आई सो दिस the three domes of this masjid evaporating into thin air, इतना शौक था मेरे को, इतना शौक था। उसी दिन मैंने बोला, मैंने लिखा भी है, ये नेशनल पॉलिटिक्स बदल रहे, इंडिया इज गोइंग टू द डार्क टनल। आई रोट इट एंड आई इवन रिमेंबर व्हाट आई रोट एट दैट डे। I never expected, मैंने मलयालम में लिखा, मतलब इसका ट्रांसलेशन था। I never expected that my journey from Faizabad to Ayodhya was to write obituary of the secular India. ये मैंने लिखा है, अभी भी मुझे याद है मैंने क्या लिखा।
For too long, people like you have ignored the subject instead of addressing it and taking it head on. That's what I think. One of the suggestions I have for anyone in opposition right now.
Thank you very much.
You can't not talk about
that's
nation or religion.
Point well taken.
You have to talk about it.
Point well taken. I feel that politics should be linked to culture.
I'll tell you what one good thing has happened in Indian politics.
What is that?
There is nationalism and patriotism are a talking point right now. The sad thing is no one's giving an alternate version of what nationalism or patriotism could mean. That's what I think. There is a vacuum there. There is no alternative narrative on how to love your country. There is only one dominant narrative in that space right now.
What is that?
That is of the BJP.
Hyper nationalism.
तो उस स्पेस में ऑल्टरनेटिव दोगे ही नहीं तो चॉइस ही एक बचेगी ना।
You need to take on BJP not politically alone. You need to take on culturally also.
वो आपको लगता है तो आप।
हाँ, मैं लगता है।
Okay.
I am very clear about it.
And how do you do that?
We have to do it.
How do you do it? What does it mean in tangible terms?
We have to, impart awareness to the people, saying that this is a farce which is being played out. And see, original cardinal issues need to be brought forward.
Do you know who Baba Bageshwar is? Have you seen this new godman in town who's 26-year-old, 27-year-old?
No, yeah.
Okay. You might not have seen him, but I mean, you are a social observer. India has an obsession with godmen, you know?
Yes.
People who can quote unquote perform miracles, solve issues, you know? जनता को एक मुक्ति दिला सकते हैं, जो काम तो स्टेट का होना चाहिए, पर ये गॉडमैन करते हैं. Why do you think, as a social phenomenon, Why do you think we're obsessed with God, man?
The situation is so miserable for most of the people that any miracle that can happen or illusion of a miracle is also gives them hope.
So in effect, if there's more
Misery,
poverty,
yeah.
if there's more misery, then there'll be more God-men.
No, more, I mean, attraction to God, man, which is unfortunate, but,
Yeah.
but that is what happens. They're saying that ये एक shortcut है, ये हमें फायदा देगा.
तो अगर कोई गॉडमैन इतना फेमस हो रहा है, क्या उससे ये हम इन्फर कर सकते हैं कि गरीबी बढ़ रही है देश में?
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. गरीबी.
I feel intelligent suddenly.
I mean, sheer helplessness is growing.
I mean, definitely, there is a trend to go back to superstition and believing in miracles and believing that one godman can solve all your issues.
Innate impulse would be to find a shortcut relief from that misery. So that government provide that illusion.
वो shortcut होता है.
हाँ, वो illusion provide करते हैं. Actually relief तो मिलना नहीं है कुछ. But वो illusion से अब लोग खुश हो जाते हैं थोड़े.
सच में चमत्कार नहीं होते क्या?
नहीं, कहाँ होते हैं?
Comrade S, come on यार.
Come on है. बताओ तुम क्या कहाँ पे दिखाओ, एक दिखाओ.
Have you seen these Punjab missionaries, Prophet Baljinder?
No,
Have you seen this? Yeshu, मेरा यशु.
ये पेंदकोस्त है ना, बहुत ज्यादा है.
ये ज्यादा
अरे यार,
क्यों?
अभी स्ट्रीट में आके सबको तो देखो ये बाइबल, अरे anything which is over, but I don't think. And
Are you not supportive of that?
I am not supportive of such, I mean, loud orchestrated campaign. I am somebody who believes that.
Are you not afraid that your local community will say, why are you speaking against Christianity?
नहीं, क्रिश्चियनिटी
ऐसा
के
नहीं
खिलाफ
होता आप
नहीं है.
लोगों में?
मैं सोचता हूँ, I'll tell you, honestly I'll tell you something. Your belief in God, it's something private. Faith is a private affair. I don't think you need to demonstrate it, trumpet it. ये मेरा ये मंदिर, मॉस्क, चर्च बिजनेस है ना, अभी चलता है. ये I mean our so-called administrators and prime minister, everybody goes for temple program like this. इतना ये I don't believe.
आपको नहीं पसंद
इतना
religion
प्रदर्शन करना, तो ये प्रदर्शन करने का बात नहीं है.
Okay.
ये आपका मन का बात है.